不到130万的预算，就能在万景较核心的社区好学区买到超过2000尺的自有产权正屋哦。大家好，我是 Pris Han， 我是多伦多安心卖房地产的创始人。今天呢，我就为大家带来一处我身后的我们全新挂牌的楼花转让。好，我们这个房产呢，它是在万景的 Wisma 社区，街角呢是16街 McCowan。我们可以看到呢，这是一个全新的楼盘啊。那很多房产呢，它还在这个建筑的尾声，但是有的呢，是已经基本上完工了。比如说我们现在看到的这个，那我们可以看到它非常这个现代摩登的这个外观。那我们的这个单位呢，其实是一个转角单位，所以它在实际使用上呢，是更接近于半独立屋的，而且呢，它是自有产权。
Okay, so let's take a look at the location of this listing. So we are located at the northeast corner of Markham. This neighborhood is called Wisma. We are at the intersection of 16 and McCowan. Wisma is actually a sister neighborhood to where I live, Unionville, so I quite know this area. When the traffic smooth, it only takes us around 35 to 40 minutes to arrive downtown Toronto. But there's so many wonderful things about this neighborhood itself. Let's take a look. So for example, as you can see, from where we are to the biggest shopping mall in Markham, CF Markville, is just around 10 minutes if you ride a bike. And this neighborhood itself is surrounded by green space. For example, you can see that right at our doorstep, there's a Ross Brown Park. There's lots of creeks, woods, and small ponds. In fact, this whole area, you can see there are lots of greenery. This is also a good school zone. So you can see for primary school, we're connected to Fred Valley. And if it's for secondary, you have Burr Oak. Both of these schools are one of the best among Ontario. All right, after knowing the neighborhood, let's focus on the property itself. So this is a freehold townhome. So unlike those condo townhouse, we don't have a condo fee. We do have a POTL fee, parcel of title land fee, but it's only $135 per month. The most highlight of this property is our amazing asking price. It's only $1.269 million, and it's not for bidding. The most recent sold price for similar size of townhomes in the same neighborhood, they already sold for $1.35 million, and this is within the past months. This is a very spacious townhome because its size is above 2,000 square feet. A lot of times townhomes are around 1,500 to 2,000 square feet, but this is absolutely one of the larger ones, close to semi-townhouse. We've got 3 bedrooms and 4 washrooms. Again, many times for townhouse, you've got only 3 bathrooms, but this one's got 4. So if you have a bit more family members, you've got your own washroom, which is very important in early morning when everybody gets up. And another thing really to boast about this property is it's the end unit of townhome, because you know a lot of times if it's a typical townhome, you've got neighbors on your left hand side and on your right hand side, just like this. However, we are this one. So as you can see, between 15 and 16, it's actually green space. So the real living experience is closer to a semi-detached, because on your right-hand side, you don't have a neighbor, right? Now, another thing to boast about this property is its school zone. So both high school and primary school scored higher than 8 on Fraser. High school is Burr Oak. It's among the top 50 among all the 760-something high schools in Ontario. And the primary school, Fred Valley, once again, one of the best. So if you really care about children's education and want to have a good living experience, but your budget is under 1.3 million, this would be one of the best choices. Last but not least, let's watch a short video from the developer. It's a rendering for how it feels like if you're moved inside.